Good evening, I'm Jing from 1 SECV. So I'm from section 9 for this subject, Computer Organization and Architecture. So I'm going to show you how I complete the Lab 2 exercise using a Visual Studio. Actually, I already did all the questions, so I just rerun the program to show you how I did all the questions. So for the first question, we need to know all the value of the variable for every line, so just copy the program and paste into here, Visual Studio, then just debug it. Then you can see the yellow arrow means the next statement that will be executed, so you just need to press again. Then you can see the value of AX will becomes 1 because the first line means the value of variable 1 will move into the register AX. So the next line also means the value of variable 2, 9, will move into the register BX. So then the BX will becomes 9 also. So the next line also like this. This line means the exchange the value of register AX and BX. So now AX will turn into 9 and BX will turn into 1. Then next line means the value of AX will move into variable 1. So you can see variable 1 originally is 1. Then now becomes 9. Then variable 2 now become 1 because the value of BX move into variable 2. Then you get all the result. So we move into question 2. This also like the previous question. Then I just copy the program and run again. So I adjust first. Then you can see the first line means the value of X value 26 will move into the register EAX. So you can see the result. EAX will turn into this 1A. Then just copy the answer and paste it here. So it's just run again. This line means negate the value of register EAX. Then the EAX now becomes this value. So next line, the Y value will move into the register EBX. So you get EBX value. So I just continue. So after the value of Z value move into, it's subtract the EBX by Z value. Now the EBX becomes this value. So next, then we add the value of register EBS to register EAX. Now EAX get this value. Then this line increment EAX means add 1 to this register EAX. So now EAX becomes this value. Then next we get the R value because the value of EAX is moved into R value. So we get all the result. So just follow the program. Then we run again. So you can see the first line also like the previous question, move the value of variable 1 is 5 into EAX. So you can see EAX now is 5. Then we multiply the value of register EAX by variable 2. Then you get the register EAX with this value 32. Then next, we add the value of variable 3 to the value of register EAX, then we get this result EAX. So we just copy all the value you get and paste it here. So for the next line, you can see this decrement EAX means decrease value of 1 from the register EAX. So you get 45, but we didn't need to write the value, so just continue. Then you can see the variable 4 is 45 because the value of EAX is moved into the variable 4, so we get the result. So we just continue with question 4. Also the same, copy the program, then we run again. So this is all the same with the previous question. Move the variable 1 into the register AX. So you can see the AX get this result. Then the next line, move the value of 5 into the register BX. Then the BX will get 5. Then multiply the register AX with register BX. Then you get the result BX becomes 5. So just copy all the answers and paste it here. So actually I didn't get the value of AX for line 3. I took from here. So I just copy the answer. So just continue the question. Then this BX becomes 7. Then this means we divide the value of register AX by BX, where the DX means the remainder. So you can see so last the variable 4 comes out this answer. So I get the answer from here. Then next, so for question 5, I just show you my result of this program that I typed. So you see the result. So I'm not sure that whether my question is correct or not, so I just check the last answer. So from the questions you see the expressions. So B plus C is 16, then D minus E is 10, then 16 times 10 is 160. So when I run the program from, you can check from line to line. So I debug again. So you can see so EAX is 12, then EBX is 4, then when they plus together is 16, then for this EBX turns into 20, then ECX is 10, then when they minus this become 10, then when they multiply together it becomes 160. So the answer's value of A is 160. Then the next question 6. Also, I just run the program that I typed, then show you whether my answer is correct or not. So this is the program that I typed. So from the question is B divide C then times D. So you can see the result. It's 12, then 4, then here didn't show the value 12 times 4 will equals to what? Oh, sorry, it's 12 divide 4 will equals to 3, but the final answer I get is correct because 12 divide 4 becomes 3, then times 20 is 60. So I'm not sure whether my answer is correct or not. So originally I didn't type this the first line. I didn't get I can get the result, but I just add this line, then at last I get the result. So that's all for my lab 2 exercise. So I think there's still a lot of problem I made while doing the question using a Visual Studio. So there's a lot I don't understand. It's like another programming technique. So that's the part I need to improve. So that's all for my lab 2 exercise. So thank you.